So, good day. I am Geoffrey Bonete and
I am Nico Amosco.
so we are in topic 7, activity number 5. So, we will refer to the recorded lecture on one-way ANOVA for repeated measures for this activity. Create a video recording and we will create our own dataset and 100 respondents. So, we will create the and state the null hypothesis and compute the p-value and decide on null hypothesis whether to reject or accept. So, first, we created a data set and a problem. So, here.
So the topic is 100 farmers are tasked to get 50 pieces of tomato in a day. The farmers have a 5 days to harvest. The owner of the farm will know which day she or he harvests the most.
So, as you can see, we created respondents, 100 respondents in each day. So, count 101. So, we will use the online calculator to know if our data was in normality. So, we will use the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test for normality. So, we will copy our data and paste it here and calculate. So, first, we will copy the day 1, paste, and see if our p-value was normally.
The p-value is 0.18418, which is normally distributed.
So the mean is 36.15. So next we will paste it here in normality test p-value. So day 1 0.18418 normally distributed, and the mean was the result for mean in day 1 is 36.15. So next was day 2. Copy the day 2 and paste it here in Kolmogorov normality test. We will reset. And paste. Paste the data in day 2. And calculate.
The p-value is 0.08781, which is normally distributed. And the mean is 42.3.
So, we will copy the p-value and the mean here in our data analysis. So, day 2, 0.08781 normally distributed. And day 2 was, the result for mean was 42.3. So, 42.3 and 0.08781. So, next was day 3. Copy day 3 and paste here. Reset. And paste. the day 3. And calculate.
The p-value is 0.22733, which is normally distributed, and the mean is 37.48.
So just like, so again, we will copy the p-value here in day 3. P-value is 2.22733. 0.22733 is normally distributed in day 3. So the mean was 37.48. Yeah, day 3. So next was day 4. Copy. And reset the data 3 and paste the data number 4. And click calculate.
The p-value is 0.07988, which is normally distributed, and the mean is 26.1.
So again, we will copy the p-value 0.7988 here in day 4. 0.07988 normally distributed, and the mean was 26.1. 26.1. So next was the day 5. So copy, reset the data in data number 4 and paste the data number 5. Delete and calculate. Yun. So
The p-value is 0.06329, which is normally distributed, and the mean is 37.03.
and lastly, we will copy the p-value 0.06329 and the mean 37.03 in day 5 here in data analysis. In our data analysis here, day 5, 37.03, and the p-value was 0.6329. 0.6329. So next was the mean. So we will next we will use the online calculator here. The online calculator, the one-way repeated measures ANOVA calculator. So
To use this calculator, simply enter the values for up to 5 treatment conditions into the text boxes below. Either one score per line or as a comma delimited list. Select your significance level, give your data a final check, and then press the calculate button. Note, you will find the independent measures one-factor ANOVA calculator if that's what you require.
So after we test the normality, we will paste it here, the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 here in every treatment boxes. So first we will copy the data 1, day 1. Copy. Paste the data 2, day 2. Copy. Paste the data 3, day 3. Copy. paste, and data 4, day 4, copy, paste, and lastly data 5, day 5, copy and paste the data 5 here at box number 5. So
Delete ka pa ng word.
we will delete that day 1 in order for us to compute perfectly. And then after we paste all the datas, day 1, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, we will use the significance level of 0.05. So we will calculate, and there is an answer.
So this is the answer. The p-value is less than 0.0001. The result is significant at p less than 0.05.
So we will go back here in our objectives. So as the result was, the p-value is 0.00001, and that's our p-value, the result of ano p-value.
So here's the interpretation. D2 has the highest average and therefore has a least average. So interpretation number 2, the hypothesis in null form will be rejected since the computed probability value is less than significance level of 0.05. Therefore, there's a significant difference in the mean scores of each test. So that's all. Thank you for watching and listening.